This is our bird feeder at Highland Hole Farm, right out our kitchen window. This bird feeder gets a lot of activity in a day. One of the things I like about it is it's very close to a real nice yew bush for cover. And wherever you have a bird feeder, you should always have nearby cover so the birds feel safe. And you can see they'll just go back and forth to the cover. Some of the bushes that I like for bird cover are viburnums, burning bushes, yews, even the arborvitaes can provide cover. You want something that's very thick and dense so the small birds can get in, but the big birds of prey would have trouble attacking the small birds. So if you need any help on your habitat improvements, give us a call at 215-651-8329. We'd be glad to help you with your landscaping needs for shrubbery for the habitat improvement of your property. These are 30 to 36 inch American boxwood. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. These are American holly, Ilex alpaca. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. These are some large Foster hollies, 215-651-8329. These are Hetz Calinder junipers. They're a great selection if you have deer and you need a hedge to get to be about 15 foot high. It grows 5 foot wide and it is deer resistant again. We sell two sizes basically of this plant. We have a 2-gallon and a 5-gallon. The 2 gallons are about 18 inches high and the 5 gallons are about 36 inches high. Another great choice for a deer. We grow a lot of boxwoods here at Highland Hill Farm. These are our 18-inch Green Mountain boxwoods. And these are our 24 to 28-inch Green Mountain boxwoods. We grow a lot of other deer-resistant trees and shrubs as well, and those are our 5 to 6 foot green giants. If you need any high-quality deer-resistant nursery stock, give us a call. We can deliver and plant, or you can stop and pick up. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Just give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. At Highland Hill Farm, we can ship trees, plants, and shrubs from seedlings and transplants to full-size nursery stock. We can ship on our trucks which include F550s with 20-foot trailers, or we can use common carriers such as tractor trailers and ship tractor trailer loads or partial loads. We ship our seedlings and small transplants by UPS, and we also have planting equipment available for you for large purchasers of seedlings and transplants. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for your tree and shrub needs. Thank you. This is a kudu. It's a 56.5-inch trophy that's for sale here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Give me a call if you want a kudu head for your wall. It's a real nice trophy. Thank you. This is a set of antlers we just found. Deer was hit by a car. We're at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We'll sell this set of antlers for $100 if you want them. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. This is a meteorite that we have. This is a box of postcards we got from a job we did. There are a lot of these are from Europe, like England, Paris, Frankfurt, Hamburg, Kiel, Munich. There's Vienna. There's a whole bunch of postcards here. These are pretty old postcards. They're between 20 and maybe 50 years old. And they are all different kinds of postcards here. There's new ones, used ones. Okay. And this one's by it's called Ringstrasse of Vienna by C.Z. Koenig. Koenig. Whoever the heck he is. Tim J. Connor. And this was it by Anthony, age 11. urbanpromise.org. That's not too old. So we have a lot of paintings and pictures and etchings and things like that. We get a whole bunch of this stuff out of the trash when we clean out properties. We're at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. And we have a lot of other things for you to take a look at here. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. You can see we have the kudu head there and all kinds of minerals and fossils for you to look through. These are some trilobites I have for sale. We're at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. And we also have a lot of other interesting things to show you and have for sale. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is a pile of dinosaur bones from the Milk River Ranch in Havre, Montana. And this is a piece of petrified wood. And that's Don working on his targets. And we have a lot of other things. That box is just filled with petrified wood. We have boxes of minerals and all kinds of things for you to come look at. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. This is Don Hurst. He's 88 years old. He's a veteran. He works here at our farm, Highland Hill Farm, making little items that we can use on the farm. Go ahead, tell us what you're doing here today, Pop.
Well, I'm making targets and spools for recycling rope. The targets for your gun club, for various. I'm making various sizes, 3 different sizes. Actually 4. Have one very large one and then 3 of this type here, and then this size and so on. And we go to the every morning we stop off at a dumpster and pick up a bunch of old boxes that are going to be destroyed and thrown away. And this is what I'm doing now. Out of this one section of a box, I got 6 targets and the ability to make up 2 spools. These are half spools, where I glue together to save material. It's working out just fine. That I take this one and this one here, get two of these, you glue them together. These here I have to put a brace across here anyway to make it stronger, so I glue that on too. And what we do is we try to recycle all the rope. We get rope in from when the trees are shipped in here from Bill's various farms. Then we take the rope and recycle it, and all the scraps, the end pieces that are no good go in here. They're the fuses for the fireplace starters, and it works out beautifully. Just put a few of those little things in and put that fuse in there, and it sets it right off, and you don't have to stand by the fireplace for half an hour trying to get a fire started. And you know what I do with these? I color them, and Bill can show you a picture of what the finished product looks like.
Yep. Here at Highland Hill Farm, we use a lot of rope in tying together trees, and when we're finished with the rope, it would be wasted. So what we do is we bring it in the shop here. My father makes the little spools to re-spool it, and then we can recycle it. Now, right here we have bones. These are bones from a dinosaur from our Haber, Montana ranch. We have a lot of things here to show you today. So when you come to visit Highland Hill Farm, you have a whole bunch of things to look at and do and see for the kids. We have fossilized wood. If you could bring my father your unwanted nuts and bolts, that would be great. And he'll send you home with a little item that he makes in trade. We have lots of fossils and minerals for you to look at, petrified wood, minerals from all over the nation. And then I'm going to take you over here and show you some other things. Right over here we have a meteorite and some trilobites. And this is our shipping area where we line up our shipping. We have a zebra skin. That's a Hartmann zebra from Namibia. This is an oryx. And over here I have a kudu head. And then through here we have lots of targets that my father makes. And you can see we make lots and lots of targets. And more targets. And more targets. And more targets. And out here he also puts together drip irrigation systems for our trees and shrubs. And he makes up little drip lines, and we install them on our trees and shrubs when we do our plantings. So we keep my father busy. And you can help us keep him busy by bringing us your nuts and bolts and pieces of cardboard and little trinkets that he can fiddle fart with all day long. And we will be glad to see you. We have thousands of trees and shrubs, and we do ship all up and down the East Coast. We have 3 trucks on the road, and we have a planting crews that can even deliver and plant for you. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for your trees and shrubs. We have many different types of flagstone. We have natural cliff, we have tumbled flagstone, and we also have thermal. We have a lot of different pallets that you can come and pick and sort through. You don't need to buy a full pallet. You can buy a partial pallet. We have different colors. For example, we have the Pennsylvania bluestone. We also have lilac. The stone ranges in thickness from a 1/2 inch to 3 inches. And we can get special orders if the order justifies the cost of shipping. We're located easily on Route 313